In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off vacation mode on Etsy Quick Guide. If your shop's been on pause and you're ready to welcome customers again, this walkthrough will take you from start to finish in just a few moments, with clear guidance at each click so nothing gets overlooked. Start by heading to Etsy.com. From the homepage, click Sign In and log into the account that manages your shop. If you're already signed in, you can move right ahead. Once you're in, select Shop Manager. This takes you into your seller dashboard where all of your shop tools and settings live. You'll see navigation options along the left side. That's where we're going next. Click Settings in the left-hand menu. This is the area that controls shop-wide preferences. Within Settings, choose Options. Think of the Options section as the control panel for general shop behavior, including the setting we're here to change. When the Options page opens, scroll until you find Vacation Mode. This is the feature that hides your listings and displays your away message while you're taking a break. Now toggle Vacation Mode off. As soon as you switch it off, your shop is set to return to active status. This means your storefront will become visible again, your listings will begin to show in search, and buyers can add items to their carts and check out as usual. If you had an away message, that won't show to visitors anymore once the shop is active. Before you move on, make sure you finalize the change by clicking Save. This is important. If you navigate away without saving, the toggle won't stick and your shop could remain hidden. After you click Save, Etsy applies the update right away. Your shop should appear publicly almost immediately, though search visibility can take a short moment to refresh across the site. That's all it takes. You've gone to Etsy.com, signed in, opened Shop Manager, navigated to Settings, selected Options, found Vacation Mode, toggled it off, and saved your changes. Your shop is now open for business again. If you ever need to step away in the future, remember you'll return to the same spot to turn Vacation Mode back on. A quick final note. Once your shop is live, customers can message you and place orders as normal. If you had any communications or notices that mentioned you were away, keep in mind those won't appear anymore now that vacation mode is off. Thanks for following along and enjoy getting back to selling.